Uh, uh,
Oh my god. My outfit is so freaking cute. You couldn't even get the full effect at the river because it's piss pouring rain, and I'm not gonna undress just to show you my outfit, okay? So now you gotta see it in the car. The no bra look. Nipples all out. Who cares? Everybody has them. I swapped out my rain hat for this hat because that's soaking wet. This is what I was wearing when I was out. Soaking wet. My barn coat is over there. Soaking wet. It's about 10 pounds heavier right now. It has water retention problems, that thing. And then she tried to run, not run, but walk away from me when I called her. I gave her a little, listen here, talking.